Hi everyone, welcome back to Valerine's Home and Gardens. Thank you so much for your support on my channel. I appreciate you. There is something important I need to talk to you about when you are measuring to calculate for making flat sheets. Now I already have a video that shows you how to calculate how much fabric you will need to make your custom flat sheets. However, if you are planning to tuck your pillows under the sheet at the head of the bed, then you will have to make sure that when you're measuring your mattress, the pillows stay in place. This is what you do. You start at the end of the mattress at the foot of the bed, and then you measure up to your pillows and you tuck the measuring tape under the pillows 2 to 4 inches depending on what you feel comfortable with. And then you take the measuring tape over the pillow all the way back down to the top of the mattress. And then you measure the drop. And the drop is how far down from the top of the mattress you want your sheet to land. If it's on the floor, you measure to the floor. Then you add that measurement to the measurements that you get for the top of the bed, which includes the pillow. And you do that for the width and for the length with the pillows in place. And remember, you need to add the drop for the foot of the bed, the head of the bed, the left side of the bed, and the right side of the bed. I hope that helps. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please like, share, and leave your comments below, guys. Your questions, I'm ready and willing to answer them. If you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscription button, and remember to hit the bell notification icon so you can be notified of new videos. I'll see you in the next video.